being very honest.
Oh, you're all right.
Oh, shit.
You okay?
Hey,
Put the gun down.
put down.
Even though Jason was fully cooperating with the officers, he was unfortunately shot in the thigh. It turned out that Officer Carter, the female officer, had mishandled the weapon while attempting to disarm him. In the process, she accidentally pulled the trigger, and the gun discharged, striking Jason.
Being very
Oh,
honest.
you're all right.
Oh, shit.
You okay?
Hey,
Put the gun down.
put down.
Now, let's look at the incident from the female officer's perspective to see exactly what happened.
I appreciate it, man. Being very
Oh,
honest.
you're all right.
Oh, shit.
You okay?
Officer Carter's handling of the firearm was highly unprofessional. She placed several fingers on the trigger and forcefully pulled the gun outward. Switching to another officer's body cam,
Put the gun down. Put the gun down. You okay? No. Hey, rescue 1068. Let's go.
we can see that after Jason was shot in the thigh, he was helped to sit on the grass. Officers immediately applied a tourniquet and began first aid. Meanwhile, the officer who fired the shot stood nearby with a nonchalant expression, not even offering an apology. It wasn't until a colleague instructed her to fetch the first aid kit that she reacted. After the incident, it was reported that Jason underwent surgery in the hospital and has since been discharged. The bullet had entered the upper part of his thigh and exited from the inner right thigh, leaving him with permanent physical damage that now affects his ability to work as a forklift operator.